Well, Uber and Lyft drivers are officially quitting left and right. We have a Facebook group with over 19,000 members, and every single day we have so many drivers saying, this is my last straw, I've called it quits, I've thrown in the towel and I'm quitting. And after what just got exposed from Uber, wow, you can really understand why. Before I get started with this video, I wanted to share with you all an opportunity to receive guaranteed pay. There's a new app called Solo. I have a link down below. When you sign up with the link, they're going to give you 15 bucks just for signing up and creating an account, linking your account, and you can get that $15. Now, this app, basically what they do is they have guaranteed pay. So if you go out and drive and you don't make a certain amount of money, they will guarantee that you make that amount of money. That is available in select areas, but they are expanding, and they do have a free version nationwide. So sign up with the link, get your 15 bucks. Now let's get started. So Uber and Lyft drivers are rallying for higher pay and other changes as gas prices soar. It's no surprise that gas prices, everybody knows gas prices are crazy. Uber and Lyft drivers want the companies to make changes to how they're paid, among other complaints, and this comes just at a time when Uber was just exposed for the way that they've been treating drivers. They were actually exposed for paying absurd amounts of money for these studies to come out showing how great it is to be an Uber driver, and when really these studies were pretty biased. But let's listen to this. Instead of picking up rides, some local rideshare drivers spent their day rallying. This past Wednesday, they want Uber and Lyft to make changes to how they're paid, among other complaints, as drivers record record high prices at the pump. So this was in Connecticut. They heard from participating drivers, NBC, who say they're frustrated that they can't negotiate pay and fees with the app companies during these costly times. We reached out to both companies, and Lyft sent a statement. Listen to this, talking about the gas surcharge. Lyft sent a statement. We recognize the pain drivers are facing at the pump, which is why we have extended our 55 fuel surcharge until further notice. However, we're glad to see that even with higher gas expenses, drivers nationally on Lyft are busier and earning more today than they were a year ago due to rebounding rider demand. Yeah, no duh, because a year ago nobody wanted to go anywhere. You're really comparing today to, it's like you're comparing apples to donuts. Not even apples to oranges, because those are similar. We will continue to keep a close eye on the gas price and look for ways to support drivers during this time. Yeah, I'm sure you will, Lyft. Haley Prim, policy manager for Uber, wrote this. We know drivers are feeling the sting of record high prices at the pump, so we've temporarily extended the gas surcharge on ride trips. Driver earnings also remain very high, with drivers who work on our platform more than 20 hours a week earning $39 an hour on average. But they fail to mention the fact that after expenses, it's way lower than that. But the dozens of drivers who started their protest, it's like they respond. It's like when I get a hate comment, like imagine I get a hate comment, oh, you provide nothing of value. And I respond, well, actually, I provide a tremendous amount of value. It's like, you hate me for a reason, right? Okay, maybe I shouldn't be comparing my hate comments to how people hate Uber and Lyft, but you get the point, okay? It's just like they're responding and like nothing's wrong. So anyways, I'm gonna end the video there, but I do wanna ask you, are you driving? What state are you in? Have you, how many rides have you been doing lately? Do you notice your pay going down? And again, sign up for Solo, get your 15 bucks just for signing up. It's a great rideshare and delivery driver kind of assistant app. It helps give you tax projections, so you'll know how much you might owe in taxes. They have a mileage tracker automated too, so you don't have to worry about that. Help you in so many different ways, because they guarantee pay feature is one of the most popular features that they do have, which is available in select cities. But as you sign up across the nation, you're actually going to help them expand to certain areas. So check out the link below for Solo, and while you're at it, you'll get 15 bucks sent to your Venmo or your PayPal just for linking your account. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.